a red squirrel. Yeah, he's small, but trust me, size isn't everything. He's collecting pine cone seeds to help feed him through the long mountain winter ahead. He's been hard at work for 2 months, and he's collected a stash to be proud of. With all those savings in the bank, you might think he could rest easy, but life's not that simple. A freeloading blackbear. Darn! He's not going to take this lying down. What the? Seriously? I mean, you gotta admire the squirrel's guts. He's taken on a guy 1,000 times his size. He tries the angry holler. But dream on. The whole stash is gone in minutes. A small snack for the thief. A big problem for the squirrel. He's not defeated, though. He finds some new hiding spots. All appears lost. But here's why this squirrel's a hero. Up in a treetop, he's been gathering a secret supply that the big guys didn't find. He didn't put all his eggs in one basket. Smart thinking. Just what you need to make it in the mountains of America.